Okay guys, welcome back to part 20 on how to create an epic Discord server for your YouTube channel. So under community, once again we are going to be focusing on this, and we have come a long way. Just 10 more steps required to make a perfect Discord server for a YouTube channel. So under community we will create a channel, and the channel name is self promote, and create the channel, edit the channel. No, make it self promote. Okay, you can self promote your social media content over here. No affiliate links are allowed. So guys, I save this and I have written down the channel description as well. So this is complete. Part 20 is complete, my friends, and we will be right back for part 21. Stay tuned.